1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Mommy! Happy birthday, Mommy! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mommy! Oh, wish muna. What's your wish to Mommy?
To make her no more stressed and angry.
Oh, okay. How about you? What's your wish to Mommy? Say long life.
Have a long life. Healthy
Okay.
always.
Okay, blow.
More.
Teka lang, wait lang. Okay, we blow together ha when I count 1, 2, 3. Okay, all together. 1, 2, 3, blow. Yay! Happy birthday. Oh, Daddy, thank you. Ayun na, oh. Dito na kami, oh.
Parang nasalo tayo, no?
Thank you,
Ingat
Dee.
ka lagi.
Love you.
Sa Tagaytay.
Ha? Okay na.
Para sa'yo.
Look, you're swimming! Okay, yes. Oh, siya, sige, hanggang kusa na lang siya tumalon.
Hayaan mo na hanggang sa magkusa naman siya. Pag napunta siya.
Look at ate. Ate's in the middle, oh.
Wow, ang sarap nito. Oh. Ang sarap ng tubig kasi. Oh, galing ni ate. Galing si ate.
Napapasayaw pa si Omi.
Kaya na.
Oh.
I see your feet.
Wow! Wow, swimming! It's just a cat. Aww. I'll take a video of you. Stay there. Stay there, stay. I'll take a picture. Aww. Okay, jump to the water. Kai. Ooh, is it cold there? Mainit din.
I don't like it.
Hello, Mommy. Good morning. Oh, what are you gonna eat for breakfast?
I'm gonna eat pancake and boiled egg.
Pancakes and boiled eggs. So what do we have here? Breads. Oh, me. Oh, what does Grandma have? Toasted bread.
Toasted bread.
Pancake. Nagpagawa ko omelette ham and cheese. Ham and cheese omelette. Oo. Oo, kay.
Ay, wow. Ito gusto ko.
Eggs. Ay, ma, may arroz caldo, oh. Ma, may arroz caldo. And coffee. They have coffee. Omi, come here. Omi, come with Mama.
My coffee.
Yeah, that's for coffee. I'm holding the cell phone. And this is salad. Ma, may salad din dito. So we have salad and fruits and cereal. So do you want cereal, Omi? Do you want? Cereal, chocolate cereal. Do you want cereal?